When connecting number 8 THHN/THWN-2Y to a 75 degrees Celsius breaker, its ampacity is indeed reduced to 50 amps. This reduction is due to the temperature rating limitations at the termination points. While the wire itself is rated for 90 degrees Celsius, the breaker's 75 degrees Celsius rating becomes the limiting factor. The current carrying capacity of a conductor is directly related to its ability to dissipate heat. When a conductor is connected to a device with a low temperature rating, the conductor's ampacity must be reduced to ensure that the connection point does not exceed its rated temperature. This is a fundamental principle of electrical safety outlined in the National Electrical Code, NEC. The Hubble C8269 receptacle has a temperature rating of 75 degrees Celsius. This means the terminals of the receptacle are designed to safely operate at or below this temperature. Exceeding this temperature can damage the receptacle, leading to insulation breakdown, loose connections, and potentially electrical fires. The temperature rating of the receptacle is a critical factor in determining the appropriate wire size and ampacity for the circuit. Given that number 8 wire has an ampacity of 50 amps when connected to a 75 degrees Celsius termination and the receptacle is also rated for 75 degrees Celsius, number 8 wire is technically suitable for a 50 amp circuit connected to this receptacle. However, it's essential to consider several other factors before making a final decision. Firstly, continuous load requirements. The NEC mandates that for continuous loads, which are loads expected to operate for 3 hours or more at a time, the overcurrent protection device, such as the breaker, should be sized at no more than 80% of its rating. This means that for a 50 amp breaker, the continuous load should not exceed 40 amps. Secondly, voltage drop. Voltage drop is the reduction in voltage that occurs as electricity flows through a conductor. Excessive voltage drop can cause equipment to malfunction, reduce efficiency, and shorten the lifespan of electrical devices. The longer the wire run, the smaller the wire size, and the higher the current, the greater the voltage drop. Thirdly, future load considerations. It's always wise to anticipate future electrical needs. If there's a possibility of increasing the load on the circuit in the future, using a larger wire size now can save time and money later. Although number 8 wire meets the minimum electrical requirements for a 50 amp circuit with a 75 degrees Celsius termination, using number 6 wire is generally a safer and more practical choice. Number 6 wire has a higher ampacity of 65 amps at 75 degrees Celsius. This provides a larger safety margin, reducing the risk of overheating and insulation breakdown. The additional ampacity also allows for a slightly higher continuous load if needed. Number 6 wire is less susceptible to voltage drop, especially over longer distances. This can improve the performance and efficiency of connected equipment. Number 6 wire is often easier to work with and terminate than smaller gauge wires. The larger diameter provides a more robust connection, reducing the risk of loose connections and arcing. Using number 6 wire provides a built-in capacity for future load increases, without the need to replace the wiring. When making any electrical connections, it is essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations, including the NEC. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for wire sizing, ampacity adjustments, and overcurrent protection. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any aspect of electrical wiring. Correctly sizing the wire for an electrical circuit is important. Undersized wires can overheat, leading to insulation damage and fire hazards. Oversized wires, while safer, can be more expensive and difficult to work with. The goal is to select the appropriate wire size that meets the electrical requirements of the circuit while providing a reasonable safety margin. Consider the temperature rating of all components in the circuit, including the wire, breaker, and receptacle. The lowest temperature rating in the circuit determines the maximum ampacity of the wire. Be aware of the directing factors that can affect wire ampacity, such as ambient temperature, conduit fill, and grouping of conductors. The NEC provides tables and guidelines for adjusting ampacity based on these factors. Always use properly rated connectors and terminations for the wire size being used. Ensure that connections are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. This helps to prevent overheating and voltage drop. When dealing with twist lock connectors, it's critical to ensure they are properly installed and maintained. Twist lock connectors provide a secure and reliable connection, but they can become loose or corroded over time. Regularly inspect twist lock connectors for signs of damage or wear. Replace any connectors that are cracked, broken, or corroded. Use a torque wrench to tighten the connector terminals to the manufacturer's specifications. Over-tightening can damage the terminals, while under-tightening can lead to loose connections. Apply a small amount of antioxidant compound to the connector terminals to prevent corrosion. This is especially important in damp or corrosive environments. Be certain that the twist lock connector is fully engaged and locked before energizing the circuit. This prevents accidental disconnections and arcing. When selecting wire, consider the type of insulation. THHN/THWN-2 wire is a common choice for general-purpose wiring. It is rated for both dry and wet locations and has a temperature rating of 90 degrees Celsius in dry locations and 75 degrees Celsius in wet locations. Other types of wire insulation are available for specific applications, such as high-temperature wiring, direct burial wiring, and underground feeder wiring. Choose the appropriate wire insulation for the environment in which the wire will be installed. In summary, while number 8 THHN/THWN-2 wire is technically acceptable for a 50 amp circuit connected to a 75 degrees Celsius breaker and receptacle, using number 6 wire is a more prudent choice. It provides a greater safety margin, reduces voltage drop, is easier to work with, and allows for future load increases. Always follow the NEC guidelines and consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all electrical work is performed safely and correctly.